Good day, everyone. I'm Edric Luis B. Santos, and this is the presentation of my midterm exam. Cardiorespiratory exercise, jumping jack. Jumping to a position with the legs spread wide and the hands going overhead, sometimes in a clap, followed by a return to a position with the feet together and the arms at the sides, is a physical jumping exercise called a jumping jack, also called a star jump. Purpose and benefits. Jumping jacks provide a full body workout that works your arms, legs, and core. The workout can increase fitness, enhance coordination, and build muscles. Balance exercise. Single leg. Standing with your feet hip width apart, you can perform a single leg balancing by shifting your weight onto one leg and raising the other off the ground. You can hold the elevated foot behind you or in a comfortable position. Purpose and benefits. One of the best exercise for building lower body strength, balance, and stability is the single leg sit to stand, strengthening leg muscles. This workout helps to develop the functional strength needed for daily tasks by focusing on the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Power exercise. Squat jump. 1. Place your feet shoulder width apart and point your toes slightly outwards as you stand. 2. As though you were going to recline in a chair, bend your knees and press your hips back. 3. Lift straight up while pushing through the heels. 4. Return the squat position after landing with your knees slightly bent. 5. Continue until the entire set is finished. Purpose and benefits. This exercise works the muscles in your lower back, hamstrings, glutes, and abdomen in addition to your core. One of the best workouts for building explosive power with just an athlete's body weight is the squat jump. Muscular endurance exercise, push up. An exercise for conditioning that is done in a prone posture by rising and lowering the body while maintaining a straight back and supporting the body with the hands and toes. Purpose and benefits. Your shoulders, triceps, and chest are among the upper body muscles that can be toned and strengthened with push-ups. These muscles are used for a variety of tasks including pushing a shopping cart and scooping things up. Muscular strength exercise. Squats. A squat is a strength training exercise where the participant lowers their hips while standing and then raises themselves back up. Purpose and benefits. The main goals of squats are to increase core stability and strengthen the lower body muscles. Among their many advantages are better posture, higher mobility and balance, improved calorie burning, improved joint health, and functional fitness for day-to-day tasks. Flexibility exercise. Side stretch. A side stretch is a mild yoga pose or exercise that targets the obliques, intercostals, and back muscles, as well as other muscles along the sides of your torso. Place your feet hip width apart as you stand, sliding the hand down the thigh, raise one arm overhead, and then gradually lean to the other side. Avoid twisting and maintaining a straight upper body posture. Purpose and benefits. It is intended to increase side body movement and flexibility, which can assist reduce tension and stiffness that may result from extended sitting or other activities. Improve side body flexibility and mobility by stretching the obliques and intercostal muscles. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my midterm presentation.